and Beach Adventures with Kris, with yet another episode from Landsort, or the island called Öja, the southernmost island in the Stockholm archipelago. And now I'm on the east side of the island, which is very long island, but very not so broad. But from one side to the other it takes less than 5 minutes. But length it's at least 5 kilometers. And on the other side it's a lot of wind and huge waves. So I decided to spend also one more swim here on this island, as earlier I was on one beach closer to where the boat stops. And it was also like with steps into the sea as well, and a jumping platform. This is a natural beach, and these type of rocks are all around the island. And believe it or not, I saw 2 snakes, not one but 2 snakes. What are the odds? Snakes are not so common in Sweden due to the cold climate. So, and the first one looked also very scary, and it also made pss, or what the snakes do. I also caught that on video. I might post it as a story on my Instagram. But yeah, there are 2 boats left that will go to the mainland. One is in 125 and the other in 525, and I'm not sure if I want to spend 4 more hours, or actually 425, so 3 more hours, as it will be cloudy. And I already saw the lighthouse, I already saw the bunkers and the cannons, and I also saw one stone formation from Stonehenge or something from old times, and even one cemetery during the pest, or what's it called in English. Anyway, the sun has disappeared, so I will be probably taking the boat back at 125, which is in 33 minutes, which makes more than enough time for a swim in the sea, Baltic Sea. It's 18 degrees in the air and 70 degrees in the sea, and here the water looks so clean and so fresh, but there are waves here and there. And people come to this island to hike and wander in winter clothes. I'm here in my Speedos. So that's how we do it. Beach Adventures with Kris. Now I really want to find a way in here, as it is quite slippery as well. So it's going to be difficult to find a way in. So I don't know. Let me see what I can do. Some magic. Because I really want to swim, but I also need to keep myself safe as well. Woo! Look at that. Okay, now let's then do some magic. As it will be easy to go up, but it's usually much more difficult to go into the water when it's like this slippery, especially with a GoPro in my hand. It is so difficult, but I think I'm gonna make it in. So ready, set, and go! I think I saw jellyfish, but it's good that they are harmless. But this is definitely also can be considered nudist beach spot, as there is nobody here and the rocks are slippery as well. And yeah, it's a fantastic Saturday. Yes, I didn't mention also that it's 20th of September. So this is what I do on 20th of September in Stockholm, or actually the southernmost island in Stockholm. I traveled 2.5 hours to get here by bus, train, bus and boat, the last leg of the journey. The water is so clean and so fresh. I just love the open sea. It is amazing. And If you see that these are waves on the other side of the island facing west, it is a massacre of waves. So it was good to come here for sure. So greetings from Landsort. Oh yeah, yet another beach adventure. And make sure to tune in for more beach adventures on my channel. Beach Adventures with Kris.